India enters its fourth phase unlock 4.0 of the reopening of the economy from a coronavirus mandated lockdown and pubs up to open public transport such as metro services. A new study published this week have suggested that the virus can spread rapidly in small and closed settings like public transport. According to a study published in JAMA Internal Medicine, a journal of the American Medical Association, one person infected with COVID-19 passed on the deadly infection to 23 of the 67 passengers traveling in a bus in China. The JAMA study stated that the coronavirus spread happened in one of the two buses that carried 128 passengers who visited a religious event in eastern China in January. Those who rode a bus with air recirculation and with a patient with COVID-19 had an increased risk of SARS-CoV-2 infection compared with those who rode a different bus, said the authors, who studied the spread that took place on January 19 in Hejian province. The study further said that the super spreader, whose gender was not specified, was showing no symptoms of COVID-19 at the time of travel. The passenger mapping showed that the sickest person were in the front and back of the bus, outside the perimeter of 1 to 2 meters that infectious droplets reportedly traveled. The investigations suggest that in closed environments with air recirculation, SARS-CoV-2 is a highly transmissible pathogen, said the study. Dr. K. Srinath Reddy, President Public Health Foundation of India, as quoted by Hindustan Times, said, "For buses we have thermal screening, space seating, masks, supervised boarding and deboarding and open windows. For metros, thermal screening, orderly boarding and deboarding procedures and space seating were possible." The government, under its Unlock 4.0 guidelines, announced the resumption of metro services from September 7 across the nation in a graded manner and will increase gradually with the resumption of full revenue service by September 12, 2020. As per the SOPs for metro travel, only asymptomatic persons to be allowed to travel after thermal screening at the entry into the stations. Symptomatic people should be advised to go to nearby COVID care center or hospital for testing or medical attention. Use of Arogya Setup app to be encouraged.